Hey guys, welcome to Get Ready with Me and Chit Chat series. Yes, this is the first episode in Get Ready with Me and Chit Chat, and today I'm going to talk about myself because this is my new channel and nobody knows about me, who I am and what I do, what are my likes and dislikes. So let's talk about them. Let's go. Okay, my skin is set with aloe vera gel and sunscreen, which is a water based sunscreen, and after that I have applied a little bit of just her primer. I really like this primer. So okay, let's talk about me. I actually born in Bhatinda, India, where I have completed my studies till 12th standard because my father used to work in Indian Army. After his retirement from the job in Indian Army, he settled down in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, where again I have completed my graduation and post-graduation. Okay, I'm taking the NARS foundation and you have to shake it well before use, and also I'm taking the beauty blender to dab on my face, and it's a tool actually which I'm going to use for application of foundation. Let's talk about my family. I have my dad who is no more with us. I really miss him, and I have mom who's staying with me, and she's really creative and very smart woman. I really always get inspired from her. And I have two siblings, brother and sister. Both are elder to me, and both are settled in their life, doing very well, and we meet very frequently, which I really like. We meet every month, sometimes every week we meet. So I really like to meet my siblings. We generally have chit chat, having fun, arguments, all that fun what generally family have. Okay, I started applying the foundation with my beauty blender. I really like this beauty blender, and I am married to a wonderful person who is really supportive. Actually, he is a backbone for me. He never stops me from doing anything. Whatever I want, I can do. So that is really good thing about because I always wanted to marry a person who respect my thoughts, or whatever I want to do. I should not be restricted because I don't do anything wrong. So okay, just for fun. And after that, I have very important person in my family who is my cute little son. His name is Siddhan. He is really naughty, and he is just 2.5 years old. Okay, I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix press powder of NC45. This is my shade, and I'm just using the same beauty blender in the MAC powder and just dab on my under eye. I always use the powders in my T-zone because I get a lot of oils in this area around the mouth. Okay, that's it. Okay, talking about my in-laws side, my husband family is pretty big. I got very good in-laws. My sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, all are really good. They really love me, and they usually come visit us in Hyderabad. So we always have fun together. Now coming to blush, I have got this in mail. Like, it's a Maybelline Master Flush Creator. It's a blush which I am going to try for the first time. So I actually like to apply blush with the beauty blender again. So it's actually dual shade orange and some light orange. I don't know whether you can see it or not properly. Yeah, so this is the shade, and which is pretty, very pretty color. I have just applied a little on my apple of the cheeks. Oh wow, this is awesome color. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild, the highlighter, just to get a little more shine, again with the beauty blender. So you just need to apply only on temple of the cheek. Wow, my cheeks look so plump. Wow, little bit on nose and keeping bow, little bit on upon eyebrows. Yes. Okay, I have applied the little bit of concealer under my eyes just to brighten up my eyes, because I have little dark circles. And okay, talking about my hobbies, I like everything. I like talking with people, I like dancing, I like having fun with my friends, family members, everything I like. Only thing which I don't like is I don't like arrogant people who doesn't respect others. But these days actually I'm able to tolerate them, because maybe I'm going into meditation mode that time. Okay, just kidding. So other than that, I like everything. People also like me for that quality, which I really appreciate them for. Okay, my concealer is over. Then I am again applying the MAC Studio Fix press powder just to settle my eye area, just to give a good finish. Okay, let's add some colors to eyes. So I have taken the Morphe E18 brush for my eyeshadow. I have taken the Huda Beauty palette. I really like this palette. This is my first international brand eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply first the desert sand. I will be applying many colors. Let's chit chat first. I have another hobby to travel. I really like, I don't know, the entire life I have traveled a lot, but still that thirst is not over, and I really like to travel. If I'm not traveling anywhere after 3 months, maybe I just go mad. I always back of my husband, just take me somewhere, we should have a trip. And we generally visit many places actually. We fortunately my husband is also like me, he also likes to travel a lot, so that's how we are having fun. I'm taking my God gifted tools, my fingers, and I just take the little bit metallic shade and applying on my lid just half of the way, and then I am going to blend with this. Okay. Hope it came well. Yes, I am back with my eye look. I have applied the kajal and the eyeliner and little bit eyeshadow underneath my eye, and I curl my lashes and then apply the
mascara.
Okay, this is the lipstick time. I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick. So here is the final look. So we came to end of this video, and I hope you have liked it. We will have such videos in Get Ready With Me and Chit Chat series. Stay tuned for them. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the ring bell button. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Bye. Thank you so much.